Hi, today we will discuss the importance of state field available in company creation or alteration screen. In the last video, we discussed that the importance of country. The importance of country is that by selecting the country, the statutory module, the statutory features available or required for that country will automatically get activated in Tally. So, now we selected India. Now coming to state. Now from 1st July 2017 onwards, GST is applicable to all over the country. Now what is the importance of state? The importance of state is that this state makes a crucial decision what type of transaction is that. So as we all know that there are two types of transactions under GST. One is intrastate transaction, another is interstate transaction. So intrastate transaction means sales happening within the state, that is sales, buyer and seller both are in the same state. So the sales is happening within the state. In this case, two tax heads are applied. One is CGST, another is SGST. CGST stands for Central Goods and Services Tax. SGST stands for State Goods and Services Tax. So by selecting the state in company creation or alteration screen, Tally decides whether you are making a interstate transactions or intrastate transactions. In our example, here we selected state as Karnataka. So if you are selling a buyer in Karnataka, then Tally will activate these two heads. In case if you select IGST for a transaction, for a local transaction, that is sales within the state, then IGST will not calculate. Then you should go and check what is the state of the buyer and you should change the buyer accordingly. So if the buyer and seller are both in Karnataka, then the transaction is called intrastate transactions and these two heads will get activated. In case a sales between two states, okay, that means seller in Karnataka, buyer in Andhra Pradesh. In that case, IGST will get activated. If you select CGST or SGST, then Tally will not calculate tax component automatically. So you should come back and you select IGST only, then it will calculate IGST. So one should understand that state is very important for maintaining books of accounts with statutory module. So if you are not selected proper state, then Tally will not calculate automatically the tax components required for GST. And also this state is important for all the statutory features. For example, on salary, professional tax is calculated on monthly basis, but only for Tamil Nadu, professional tax is calculated 6 months once. So even this kind of decisions is made based on the state selected here. So the 6 months, whatever the period what we discussed, that particular feature will not activate if we are not selecting state as Tamil Nadu. So only by selecting Tamil Nadu, this particular feature will get activated. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please comment in comment box. We'll upload upcoming videos based on that your comments. Thank you.